Aloha! We're excited to share another update of our 2021 renovation and our storage locker replacements. With the help of Hawaii's finest management team, we would like to give you an overview of our current events.
The lobby features furniture with a modern elegance and new window shades to keep the late afternoon sun glare out. The rug will be replaced with the approved design in March.
Our 5 guest suites are 90% completed, with final touches being added soon. Hokua guests will love the comfortable beds and stylish decor. The guest suite reopening will be determined by the Board of Directors with consideration given to COVID-19.
Welcome to our newly redesigned Ocean Terrace Room. All of our existing materials were removed. We installed new tiles with a wood appearance on the floor, wood paneling on the walls, and a new lighting system adorns the ceiling. The designer furniture creates a welcoming ambiance for you and your guests. And while you're here, don't forget to check our new reading nook.
The second delivery of storage lockers to be placed on P4 and P3 arrive on February 2nd through the 4th. The first batch of lockers are currently being adjusted and inspected. Once your locker has a glued-on number placard, it's ready for use. Don't forget, inside your locker are 2 shelves that can be placed on pegs and utilized at your discretion. During construction, please use caution when entering and exiting the garage.
The much anticipated pool deck renovation is currently ahead of schedule. Upon arrival of the deck tiles in early March, the waterproofing, membrane, and the tiles will commence to conclude in June, weather permitting. Cabanas 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be closed on February 1st. Cabana number 5 will be available for grilling. Please call the front desk for reservations. As always, I'd like to thank the efforts of our Board of Directors, committee members, amazing contractors, and the staff at Hokua. A big mahalo to our residents for your patience, support, and good wishes. And please wear a mask. In closing, we would like to keep you updated on our progress as we continue to be Hawaii's benchmark luxury resort condominium lifestyle.